Halo semuanya, aku akan menjelaskan mengenai sentence types. What is sentence types? Jenis kalimat atau sentence types dalam bahasa Inggris merujuk pada berbagai struktur atau pola kalimat yang digunakan dalam penulisan dan percakapan. Fungsi dari sentence types adalah menyampaikan informasi atau opini, mengajukan pertanyaan, memberi perintah atau saran, mengungkapkan emosi atau perasaan yang kuat. The following are the types of sentence types. Number 1, simple sentence. 2, compound sentence. 3, complex sentence. 4, compound complex sentence. Simple sentence. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb, expresses a single complete thought that can stand on its own. Example, the baby cried for food. There is subject and a verb that expresses a complete thought. Compound sentences. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. An independent clause is a part of a sentence that can stand alone because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Basically, a compound contains two simple sentences. These independent clauses are joined by a conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Example, the shoplifter had stolen clothes, so he ran on. He saw the police. Both sides of the conjunction so are complete sentences. The shoplifter had stolen clothes can stand alone, and so can he ran on. He saw the police. Therefore, this is a compound sentence. Complex sentences. A complex sentence is an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause either lacks a subject or a verb, or has both a subject and a verb that does not express a complete thought. A complex sentence always has a subordinator as, because, since, after, although, when, or relative pronoun who, that, which. Example, after eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, Tim went to the gym to exercise. The independent clause is Tim went to the gym to exercise. The subordinating clause before it is dependent on the main independent clause. If one were to say after eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, it will be an incomplete thought. Compound complex sentences. A compound complex sentence has two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Example, after the two soccer players lost their game, they joined their other teammates for lunch and they went to the movies. If we remove the dependent clause after the two soccer players lost their game, we have a compound sentence. The dependent clause makes this sentence compound complex. Memahami perbedaan dan penggunaan yang tepat dari masing-masing jenis kalimat membantu dalam menyampaikan pesan secara efektif dalam berbagai konteks komunikasi, baik lisan maupun tulisan. Sekian dari saya, semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.